guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to film a get ready with me while I'm on vacation today. It's very casual, just on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video, and yeah, that's it. Let's get started. Let me put a towel around my waist so you guys don't see my butt in the reflection. There's a rule I have. Do not record anything if you're naked or semi-naked, because reflections will catch you up. For a tropical vacay, this is how I do my hair. I love to come home from a long day of like sun and heat and just take a long shower and wash my hair. While it's damp, I braid my hair. You could like let it air dry more if you want, but I just don't have the time, you know? Una trenza. Y después cuando llego aquí abajo, voy a poner una liga. Put a little clear elastic. I'm gonna tie this up. I usually like to let my hair air dry a little bit before I do this, because sometimes if I do it when it's too wet in the morning, it'll still be wet. Here's another braid. So basically this is all I do, you guys. This is my get ready with me, and it has to start the night before. Okay, so I have 2 braids here, and then I just do the same thing on this side. 2 braids. I want you guys to know I was fully asleep a second ago. 4 minutes ago to be exact. I was like knocked out. But I got up to do this because I already know if I sleep with my hair wet, it's gonna be, I mean, I don't know what it's gonna be, but it's not gonna be cute. Tomorrow morning, I'll show you guys how I style it once I take the braids out, how I've been wearing it my whole trip, basically. My makeup and everything, which my makeup isn't really any makeup. It's very, very minimal, but I still get a lot of questions. So I figured I would just do a full get ready with me, like outfit, hair, and my makeup. So I thought that would be cool. I hate this lighting right now, but it's what I got. This is the real deal. All right, so this is it. I have my 4 trenzas here, and I'm just gonna go to bed now. Looking real sexy. And I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, good morning. It's the next day, and I just woke up, and I look fabulous. I know. I'm just picking up the blow dryer and just going over the braids. I don't think they're fully dry yet, but it's okay. It's dry enough. I only have 20 minutes to get ready, so don't have that much time. So now I'm just gonna take these out. Hey, honey.
What's up?
So what are you gonna do today?
Enjoy my time away from you.
Rude. See, I could tell it's still a little bit wet, but for the most part, it's still gonna stay dry like this. If you have more time than I do, then just, you know, run it with the blow dryer a little longer. But my mom just texted me and she said, be ready in 20 minutes. So I'm like, shit. Honestly, as long as the front pieces are dry, which they're the smallest braids, so they tend to dry, I feel like I'm good. Okay, so this is what it looks like, which is like really pretty beachy, this one little broken hair. So you see, it looks good. And this is the curling iron I use. This is Hot Shot Tools, very tiny. Not the tiniest curling iron I've ever used, but I think it's 1/2 inch. Here we go. Any pieces that look too uniform, like especially the front, even though this piece looks pretty good, in order for it to look not so like I braided it, I take the front piece and I actually curl the front pieces towards my face. I know usually I curl them all away from my face, but I find when my hair dries naturally curly, this front part tends to go in. So I started doing that just to make it look a little bit more like my curl pattern. This is on, right? Yeah. Ow, fuck. Yep. So I'll curl it in towards my face. And then take it all the way down, and I run it really quickly through the ends. So that's the front piece. So it gave it a totally different pattern than the rest of my hair. And what I'll do now is I'll take like 4 pieces on this side and 4 pieces on this side, and I'll do the same thing with the curling iron. And it doesn't really matter which direction, I'll just, whatever direction I feel like, I'll curl it that way. But this makes it look less braidy. So I just kind of take a few pieces, and right now I'm just going with what's dry, which isn't a lot. I'm gonna do this other front piece here. It's such an easy hairstyle to do, especially when you don't want to do your hair. Like, it takes me 2 seconds to get ready now because I do this when I'm on vacay. Sometimes if I wash my hair in the morning, I'll let it air dry naturally, the same like how it would, because my hair usually dries kind of curly. And then I'll touch it up with this too, but this way is just nice because it's not unpredictable. Like, I know what the fuck is about to happen with my hair if I let it dry like this. Whereas my hair naturally, it can do whatever it wants, and I have no warning. So you see how I have a gap like an inch and a half between the ringlet, because I don't want it to be like quinceañera curls. I want it to be like curly, beachy curls. When you want more of a natural texture, you want to go in multiple directions. So away from your face, towards your face. And then after I curl it, I kind of pull it down, like, because I don't want it to be that curly. I want it to be more relaxed. So as it's setting, I give it a little pull. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna skip to my makeup really quick. That way my hair dries a little bit more, and then if I need to do more pieces after, I will. My mom's gonna kill me. I have to be ready so fast. Thankfully, my getting ready process here is very easy. Is my ear all nasty? Oh, if you guys are wondering what's on my ear, because there's white shit on my ear, it's crushed aspirin with water because my ear's acting up. And the piercer told me to put that on there, so that's what's happening over here. I'm probably never gonna get a piercing again because it's just too much work. I'm always worried about it. Is it healing properly? All that shit, OLEHENRIKSEN toner. The balancing toner. Put it in this little travel spray container and it's so nice. My lighting setup is not that great, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna use my OLEHENRIKSEN C-Rush Moisturizer. And then my OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Bright Eye Cream. Oh man. So we are currently in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And this is where I spent my summers. I grew up here. Never officially lived here, but I did live here in the summer. My mom would, sometimes she would come with me and sometimes I would just be here with my family and I would just stay with my aunt because I loved being here. And to be back is just so nice. Like, it's so amazing here. And I don't know, the feeling that I get when I'm around my family is like, there's nothing better in the whole world. Let me go get my makeup so that I could hurry this process up. Boom. Imagine if that all would have fell on my face. First off, I'm gonna use sunblock. This is the Lancome Aqua Gel Sunblock. My face feels like it got so burnt and I put sunblock on, but I think I was out all day. Then I'm gonna do my brows and literally just ran out of my Benefit brow pencil down to the freaking nothing of it. So thankfully I brought like a shit ton of brow stuff because I don't play games, okay? So just put on the quickest brow you'll ever see. Like, you know, usually I spend a lot of time on my brows, but not today. I basically just go in and fill the gaps because I want my brow to be natural and not too crazy. So I'm gonna do the bottom first here. Baby, yeah. Can I have some coffee? Thank you. I'm literally like, when I say I just woke up, you guys, like 2 seconds ago, I literally just woke up. I'm still processing like where I'm at. I love being here and it made me realize like, damn, I need to come here like every year because this is just the best. Like I only felt this way one other time and that was South Africa. Family, man, it's the best thing ever. It really is. There's nothing more important to me. I know I said I wasn't gonna spend 5 years on my brows, but for me, this is not 5 years. This is like a fast, I'm probably spending 2 minutes. Look at this freaking big boy over here. Ooh. It's like one of those painful ones, you know, that you just like, every time you smile, it reminds you it's there to ruin you. Thanks, baby. Look at this little tiny little cup. I've been drinking espresso because that's what they have in the room. Upgraded now. I don't have any cream in here, right?
Oh, you have a little cream.
Just tell them I don't have any cream, babe. Make me look like a badass. Jeez. You gotta call me out like that. Ooh, man, still a kick in the pants. Yesterday, we actually went to a really amazing show, Rhythm of the Night. It's funny because I put that on my story and everyone says, Reebok or Nike? Do you guys get that? If you know, you know. At first I forgot about it and I was like, wait, what? And then it all clicked. But it was so great. So we left out of the port of Puerto Vallarta, out of the like cruise port there. And they take you to this little island and it's so beautiful. It's like all decked out, very magical. It's a really nice, romantic, beautiful place. I know a lot of people get engaged there and we had the most amazing dinner. It's like dinner and a show and the show is so incredible. All the cool things that these people can do, very talented. You know what I realized? I do my brows better when I have daylight instead of light like this or like studio light, I feel like. Or you guys get the point. Fill in your brows. And then this is the next step. This is all I've been doing and everyone's been asking. I feel like my steps are the same, but usually for this kind of look, but this is semi-different. I don't know. Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter number 3. There's different shades. I just use it on the high points. I'm not gonna put it on that breakout though. Grab my mirror because I'm not wearing contacts right now. I can't see into this. I try really hard to see into the phone, but I can't. This is what you guys see on my IG story, looking all kinds of glowy. And everyone asks what highlight I'm wearing, but this is it. I'm not wearing powder highlight. Also, the humidity here really does good things for the skin. Now I'm gonna use a Morphe G35 brush, and I'm just gonna pat that in. This little guy's gonna turn into a beauty mark real quick. When I look in my closet, I feel like I didn't bring that many outfits, but I brought a lot of separates in the same color family, so I've just been kind of re-wearing certain pieces, but mixing them around. Because you guys know I had 2 trips. Look at this, I look like the Tin Man. This lighting is kind of crazy with this, but just know, in the sun, ooh, I look good. This stuff looks good. Okay, now, this is fast. Where's my concealer? Obviously, my Aqua Luminous Becca concealer. And I just do a few dots of that under the eyes because I be looking tired right now. And we're gonna like get this little guy right here, eliminate him. Have a little pigmentation here. I think that's pretty good. I got like one little pimple. Basically, I'm just spot concealing. I just do little dots all over my face. And then I'm gonna take my dirty ass beauty blender. It's not even wet, but honestly, this whole time I haven't even wet it for this. This is exactly how I've been getting ready every day, so I'm just gonna keep it real. I should wet this, but you know, and here I am. But in this case, I think it helps me because it takes away a lot of excess product because it's dry, I don't know. I might be making this up, but it's been working for me. Just for concealer, I would not do this if I had foundation under the concealer, but because I don't have any other face makeup on, I'm like, let's do it. Ah, mom's here. Right on top, I'm barely dabbing it. You're early. Oh, you look cute. You're so like, I own the boat.
Who's there?
All of the internet, Mom.
Oh my gosh, you should have told me.
Oh, please. You look cute. Oh my God, I'm not ready. I'm not, what should I wear? I think I'm wearing my jeans.
Yeah, wear your jeans and what else do you have?
That's pretty much all I have left, honestly. Using my NARS blush, Luster, liquid blush. I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I'm just gonna get dressed. Will you grab me some chums? I literally said last night that I shouldn't ever film without pants on. Here I am, with no pants. But this sweater is covering my booty. Okay, so I just put this liquid blush all over. I'm using a Kat Von D 25 brush. I'm dipping my brow pencil into, like, you could use dark brown eyeshadow or make sure it's neutral. You don't want like a red ass eyeshadow or an eyebrow powder. And then I'm just gonna go over this breakout and it's gonna turn into a beauty mark. This is something I've been doing forever. But like concealer won't get rid of texture. It'll only cover redness. So instead of fighting the texture, I just say like, oh, I'm gonna have a beauty mark right here today. And no one's gonna tell me nothing, okay? Okay? Yeah, that's right, bitch. I gotta go, because if my aunt, if I keep her waiting, she's gonna be pissed. Right, Mom? She's gonna come for me. All right, so that's my makeup done. Are you passing my jeans? A little deodorant. We have 5 minutes to be up there. Oh, and then I just wear lip gloss or chapstick. This is like my makeup every day on this trip. Putting on jeans. Look how cute these are. My little sandals. I splurged, okay? These are Chanel sandals that I have not worn yet. I'm probably just gonna wear a black tank top today. And I'm actually just gonna use a black swimsuit, Monday swimwear for my bra because I didn't bring a black bra and I don't want my straps to look all crazy. And then the trick is when you're on vacation, okay? The trick is to wear like 20 necklaces and earrings. The more jewelry you wear, the more it looks like you really have your life together. And that's my trick for airport outfits too. I literally just like wear sweats and a t-shirt. It's always the same formula, but then I put necklaces on and I don't have, people ask if I have to take them off at TSA, I don't. The only time I've ever had to is like one time I wore these big hoop earrings and that they went off. Okay, don't be alarmed, it's a swimsuit top, okay? Even though swimsuit tops and bras are the same, but if I were to do this in a bra, y'all would be like, you know. And this is just a plain tank top, it's actually my mom's. She left it in my room, so I said, I'm gonna take it. And I think I'm actually gonna tie it in a little knot. Oh, I have a mosquito bite right on my knuckle. The worst place to get them, your knuckle. Actually, there's 3, your foot, your knuckle, and your face. Honey, ¿me ayudas? Oh, you know what? This is also bomb. This is Sephora. I've had this forever. It's like discontinued, so I bought a bunch. Universal highlight.
Yes.
Will you help me with my necklaces? Here.
Oh, that's right. You're trying to act like you have your life together.
Yeah. These are all from Me, except the Desi necklace. That was a gift from NARS on our trip in St. Bart's. They got it made for all of us, which is so cute. I do have another name necklace that I got made at the swap meet when I was like 19, and I still have it. I think my hair actually dried pretty good. Maybe this one. Sorry my video's orange, guys, but you know, it's Steven's fault.
I'm not the one staring at the camera the whole time. Gotta change the lighting.
You know, they never want to accept responsibility for their mistakes, men. Listen, I'm gonna bring my eyebrow pencil with me in my pocket because I don't know what's going on, and if I see them in the daylight with my contacts on when I can actually see, I'm gonna be shook. I feel like my hair is gonna be puffier than ever today. I put it half up. My aunt just called and she said she's running 20 minutes late, so we got time here. It's funny because actually the lighting is better without the light now that the light is off. It's less orange.
Okay.
Perfect lighting isn't everything. So I'm just grabbing the frizziest pieces now, which is always my top section of my hair. And you see, I wrap it around the barrel and then clamp it. I don't clamp it like normal and then wrap. I wrap, clamp. Gives it more of like a less ringlety vibe. Sometimes I'll go in with the Way. This is the matte pomade, and I just take a tiny bit. And this is great for the top of my hair, the little flyaways. Add a little clip here. Like, is that cute? I can't really see. Might not be cute, but I can't see, so we're gonna go with it. That's a clip from Me, same place where I get the jewelry, and I think with hoops I'll be ready. Let me grab some jewelry. I'm gonna do these little hoops. You guessed it, also from Me. All right, this is it. This is the final look. Black tank top, necklaces, and these are my Goldie jeans, which I love. Chanel. All right, that is it. Thanks for getting ready with me on vacation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the orange lighting. It's Steven's fault. Oh, there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.